Guys, this is Brian back with the Zilliqa ZIL token update. This thing's been moving. We had to break out of this falling wedge, and we have hit that price for that wedge, that target, and it has gone up past that. So looks like we have broken the former support back in that turned into resistance. It looks like we might be flipping that back into support. So we'll dig deeper in this chart here. I want to throw a fib on this thing when we get back and see where we're at on the Fibonacci and see if we're on the verge of moving higher with this thing or what. But right now we are up 6.25% as I make this video at 0.031 cents. So moving on up 6.52%. So, geez, the thing's moving up as I'm making the video. That's fantastic. But I have a pretty decent article here for you. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Did our first giveaway yesterday. 100 ADA went to Jessica Larson. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just be a subscriber. That's it. That'll get you entered, and we're going to do it the last day of every month. So here it says top 5 altcoins that will dominate in April, predicts a crypto analyst. And it looks like it's cutting off part of my screen here. I apologize about that. This article was written yesterday, and they have DYDX as the #1 coin on there, not number one in particular, one of the 5, the decentralized exchange for a changing market. Polygon, of course, a scaling solution for Ethereum, great company. Zilliqa, a promising altcoin with high potential for growth. Zilliqa is currently trading at 0.028 cents and has shown steady growth over the past few months. The EVM compatibility is coming to ZIL. That's going to be huge. Ethereum virtual machine, enabling Ethereum-based contracts to run on it, making it easier for developers to migrate their dApps onto other blockchains. Next one is XRP, and then of course Ethereum. That's 5 really good coins. And I can see once that EVM goes live on Zilliqa, I can see why the price is running up here, and I'm sure it's probably going to have another price pump after that. But if you folks don't have a place to store your crypto safely, I wanted to put this up here because all this stuff that went on with Elgrand and some other, all these hacks and stuff lately. I own a Ledger Nano, okay? I'm going to put a link for it in the description. If you're interested in one, you can check them out. You can Bluetooth them with your phone. You can download all your crypto onto this hardware wallet, throw it in a safe or whatever, and it's offline. Nobody can hack it. Nobody can take it. It stores over 5,500 different tokens, and like I said, you can Bluetooth it with your phone. You can plug it right into your laptop, download all your crypto on it, and throw it away. And throw it away in a safe, not throw it away, but store it away. And then when you're ready to sell it or trade it, plug it back in, put it back on the exchange, and do what you want with it. But it's a really safe way to keep your crypto. And this is right off of Ledger's site. Okay, they have the Nano. They have all different kinds of ledgers and products, but if you want to check them out, you can. Like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description, and it helps the channel out a little bit. So if you go ahead and check them out if you'd like to. Here's your top 100 cryptos for the day, and about a 50, almost a 50-50 between the green and the red out there. You know, just kind of almost a flat day besides a couple coins out there. You know, here's your crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is down just 0.48%. Volume is down 29.3%. It was up 80% yesterday. And Bitcoin dominance is flat. And the market fear and greed indicator, it is down 2 clicks to a 61. We were at a 63 yesterday. Here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers. And you can see even on the losing side over there is only 6% down is the biggest one. So Zilliqa's number 2 as far as gainers there, right behind Anchor, and your top trending coins on the left. So let's get a look at this chart. This is ZIL on the 4-hour. Okay, now a couple things that might concern me a bit. That 4-hour RSI is getting to the top there. Okay, let's look at the 1. The 1 is at the top. The 8 is at the top, and the 12. And the 12 is at the top. So we could get a little cool-off period. I want to throw that Fibonacci on here, and then I want to look at, first of all, we're going to put that right there. That is obviously a resistance zone. We have very good support right there, and down here. Obviously, we already tested that as support one time right there. So let's put a fib on this and see where this thing is at as far as a Fibonacci goes. Right up at the 786. How about that? Right on it. Okay, I mean, you might be able to pull that up just a hair more, but yeah, right on that 786. So we hit that. It looks like we pulled back a little bit. We could consolidate for a little bit. Now that you can see that former line, I want to point this out here because it's pretty important. This former support you can see here, which we fell through one time. We battled, got it back. Support, shot up here to the 0.03678, got rejected, and we fell down through that again. Then we came up and tested it as resistance. Okay, plus we have a major support and resistance line right there, you know, confluence with that. So got rejected off that. Now we busted back up through that. Okay, looks like we could be retesting this now. Let's put this back on the let's put it on the hourly and see what's going on a little bit tighter in here. Okay, yeah, quite honestly, I would be expecting a pullback. Let's see where that pullback could come to. Let's put a fib on that thing and run it up there and check it out. So right up to that top, 618 is a really good area for a pullback. That's the golden pocket. That would put us down at, and we have had support right there too before. That would put us at 0.02899, 898, right around there. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback to there. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen. This isn't financial advice, but I'm going to put a line right on there, a horizontal line right on that 618, and we will turn that blue to see what happens, to see if we get the pullback to there or not. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, folks. Please do your own research with that stuff, but I look at the charts. I do all right with them. I've been doing them 4 years now, and I enjoy doing them. I'm on them daily, you know, 4 or 5 hours a day. I look at these things, chart them out, and try to see what's going on with the market. I love it. You know, this could have been a pretty ugly 5-wave up in here too. You know, it kind of almost looks like one. It's not real pretty, that's for sure, but you could have, you know, 3 or 4-wave pullback in a 5. That could be what went on in there. Then you would have a correction, usually a 5, 3, 5. You'd have a 3, like an ABC coming down, which that, you know, if my money was on something, I would probably say something like that. You know, you would have your A, B, and your C possibly coming down to that 618. We'll see what happens, you know. So I'll keep an eye on this thing the rest of the day, guys and girls, and thank you so much for watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it, more than you know, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much.